Are you looking for the perfect breakfast to start your morning and that's great for meal prep? Well, we are making lemon poppy seed overnight oats. I love overnight oats, especially this flavor combination because it's absolutely delicious and it is packed with nutritious ingredients. My name is Alyena and welcome to my kitchen. So to start making our overnight oats, I have my oatmeal. I'm using half a cup of oatmeal, and to that I am going to add in my sweetener. I'm adding anywhere from 2 to 3 teaspoons of maple syrup, depending on how sweet you like it. I like to start with 2 teaspoons, along with 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And for our lemon flavor, I have 1 tablespoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice. And I'm also adding in the zest of 1 lemon. And I have to say, this smells absolutely delicious. If you like lemons, you will love this dish. Also, when you're zesting, you don't want to get really any of the white inner part. You just want the yellow part because the white part of the lemon will make it bitter. Next, I'm adding in 2 teaspoons of poppy seeds. I like poppy seeds because they're really high in calcium and magnesium. And I'm also adding in 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, along with a 1/3 cup of yogurt. I like using a vegan unsweetened vanilla coconut yogurt. And I'm also adding in a 2/3 cup of almond milk. I like using unsweetened vanilla almond milk, but you can use any milk of your choice. And now we can just stir this together so that everything is combined. You can transfer this to a mason jar or any jar that you have. I will say you want to leave this in the fridge for at least 2 to 3 hours to let the oats soften, or overnight. That's why this is great for meal prep, because you can make it the night before. Okay, and now I'm going to go pop this in the fridge. And here I have my finished overnight oats. I've given them a few hours in the fridge, and you can tell because they really have thickened up. So now the best part is getting to taste them. I have to say, I absolutely love these overnight oats. The flavor is amazing with all that lemon in there, as well as the little crunchiness from the poppy seeds. So please let me know if you try this recipe and what you think in the comments down below. And don't forget to check out my strawberries and cream chia pudding. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next week. Bye for now.